Hi all. In this session, we will see how we can select a checkbox in a table based on the value in other columns. So in this demo, we are going to see how we can select a checkbox where the first name is equal to Jan. Okay. So first we will try to get the table details. So here we have the identification for the table as employee table. So we will use that to find the table first. By ID and then ID value. I'm storing this object in a variable. Okay, so now we have the table object. So next part is we have multiple rows in the table. We have to iterate over this table. So we will use a for loop for that. Row in the employee table, we have many rows, so we have to iterate over the rows. TR, okay, and if you see this particular table, we have heading and also the data row. So heading, we have the details as TH. So we have to skip that. We have to take only the TR that is having the values, right? So for that we will do a filter here. Okay. So if you see the structure, if you use the T body, within the T body we don't have TH. So we can use this way, or we can provide this way, T body. So just to avoid the heading rows, okay. So this way we are avoiding the heading rows. So this find element method is going to return only the data rows, okay. And then we are going to find the specific column value. So find element, and from the current element row, we need to take the TD, and we are going to use the first name as column. So I'm going to give the index as 2, okay, and this should be Jane, right? So we'll put a if condition here, and then if this is equal to Jane, then what we are going to do? We have to select this checkbox, right? So now we have identified which row that has the Jane as first name. Now in that row we need to find this checkbox. So row dot find element, and here I missed the by dot expert. Same here and here. And here the expert will be from the current row. Let's check this one. So TD, within the TD we have input tag, right? So we will, so this is in the first column, so I'll just provide the first column dot input. Okay, we are using the tag here, and then we will do a click operation. So once that is done, we can break from this loop. Now our code is ready. We will run this and check it. Okay, here in small logic, so we need to take the text from the element and then we have to compare it. Okay. Now we will rerun it. Here, like you can see that particular checkbox got selected. So we will unselect it and then we will try with a different name, John. Right. So this way we can identify a specific row in the HTML table, and then if we need to select a checkbox or button, we can use this logic to perform the tabulation. Thanks for watching.